Callaloo Carnival Club presents Carnival Costume Design Part 1 Mood Board and Sketches. You will need card, for example, from cereal box or packaging, old magazines or newspapers for collaging, glue sticks, glue dots, PVA or double-sided sticky tape, fabric scraps, fancy paper, paint or crayons, and sequins, glitter, gems or googly eyes. Choosing a theme. Carnival is a great way to tell stories, say what's on your mind, or celebrate something good. Our first task is to choose a theme. What story do you want to tell? You might choose a theme which explores an interesting place, event, or person. For example, an exciting adventure or a place that makes you happy. Or maybe you feel sad or angry about something. For example, global warming, climate change, ocean pollution, or coral reef destruction. A word of caution: remember that some stories hold special meaning for certain people. It's a good idea to think, is this my story to tell? Before we choose our theme. Some stories are best told by the people whose lives are most affected by them. When you've chosen a theme, it's time to make your mood board.
Collect your ideas and information about your theme with pictures and fabrics. Collage the materials onto a piece of card or cardboard. Add fabric, paint, paper, sketches and patterns to help describe your theme in words, pictures or colours. You might be given a theme to explore. In this school carnival project, each class was given a colour of the rainbow. Start sketching your costume ideas. This can be whole costumes, masks, patterns, or just details such as the different leaf shapes here. Start to think about what materials each part of the costume will be made of. Who will be wearing this costume? Who will be making the costumes? How many of each item will be needed? The answers to these questions will have a bearing on your designs. For example, if you're making the costumes yourself at home, think about what equipment and materials you have available. Make a list of equipment and materials needed for each part of your costume. Think about what colour each part of the costume should be. Think about how each part of the costume will be made. If young children will be making their own costume, then keep the designs very simple. Use templates to help you sketch basic body shapes. You can find links to the ones we use in the notes. It's important to design costumes that represent everyone who might like to be in the carnival. Trace over the body template with a pencil, then add your costume ideas. When you're happy with your design, you can go over it in pen and add colour. Assemble all the information, colours and patterns around your main costume sketch to complete your mood board. You can add pieces of fabric, gems and sequins too. Callaloo Carnival Club Part 1 was produced by Callaloo Carnival Arts, working in partnership with Kirklees Council, Learning and Early Support.